This channel can't be displayed problem on Telegram. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this channel can't be displayed problem easily and fast. Or what you have to do guys is very simple and easy. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps. Right now you need to wait a few seconds. After that you have to just scroll. Let's click on the apps. Let's wait, scroll until you find Telegram. Click on it, click here on this for stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Go back, click on the data user, make sure also that all those network access options are enabled. Go back, click on the storage, click on this clear cache, go back. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.